Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a virtual server in Linode. So far this is by far the easiest to use dashboard with really cool pre-built images and VMs specific to common things like creating a web server, creating a Minecraft server. It's easily one of my favorite dashboards. It's so easy to use, and if you're unfamiliar with creating virtual servers in cloud or doing other things, it's definitely won't scare you away. You'll be able to get something set up in just a couple minutes. So let's get started. So first thing, you just have to go to linode.com. Once you're there, you should see a screen just like this. And then you're gonna have to sign up. And it does require a credit card, but it's pretty quick setup. And it should only take a few minutes. And then once you get set up, you just gotta go to login, and you should see a dashboard similar to this. So once you're here, you'll see this page. It'll default you to the Linodes. And in Linode, they basically call their virtual servers instances. They call them Linodes, kind of like DigitalOcean calls them droplets. Easy to use. So first things first, let's just click Create Linode, and then it brings you to this page. And the first thing you can choose from is distributions, and you can go through. They have CentOS, they have Ubuntu, SUSE. They have a bunch of stuff you can choose from. Choose whatever is your favorite. Then you can choose a region, whatever is closest to you. I live in California, so I'll choose Fremont. And then from here, they have the different Linode plans. I really like their plans. They don't seem as stingy with their cores compared to other companies. If you compare the prices for CPU cores. But the shared CPUs are the cheapest, and if you want to set up a Minecraft server, you can get away with something pretty cheap here, and it'll perform pretty well. And it shows you the hourly price and also the monthly column right here, so you can kind of get an idea how much it's going to cost. And then if we go down, there's a label. Give it a label. I'm going to call it. Then there's a password here. You can give it a password. There's also SSH keys that you can kind of set up to make it more secure. I'm going to not add one right now. And then all you do is hit Create Linode. Give it just a sec. There it is. And then it brings you to this page here where it says provisioning. It doesn't take long since it's Linux. And then it also gives you a summary too of the CPU cores and the RAM and the total storage. There's also a public IP, like if you have a web server or a video game server, this is what you're going to use to hit it. It also gives you the SSH access, so you just copy this, open up your terminal like PuTTY or Windows Subsystem for Linux, and you just copy it in, log in, the password, and you basically get right in there. There's a bunch of other cool tabs in here. I won't go too in depth. I'm just going to focus on getting it deployed. So I'm going to go back real quick again, hit Create Linode again, and I'm going to show you the marketplace. So if you go to marketplace instead of distributions, you get this added app screen where you could basically have a pre-built Linode virtual server that it pre-configures it for you. Like if you want to have a Valheim server, where's Minecraft? All right, where's Minecraft? Oh, they put it at the top. There it is. So if you want to just do a quick Minecraft server, you just click that, scroll down, and then from there you can give it the user that Minecraft is installed under. You can set up the world name, and then there's a bunch of other options here. If you manually do this, it's easy. There's just a text file that you have to edit. I have a video on the manual installation too. It's pretty easy. And then here's all the world settings how you want to set it. It's pretty easy. Definitely will save you some time. Like I said, you get a Minecraft server up and running in 5-10 minutes maybe. And then other than that, there's another on this left tab here. There's something called Firewalls. This is really the main ones you need to know. You're gonna have to hit Create Firewall. Just give it a name. And then you can associate the Linode that you created. Hit Create Firewall. Click on it, and then by default it opens it up so anyone in the world can hit any port on that server. So you really want to click drop, save. So this will lock the server down. And like if you have a Minecraft server, I can't remember the port it runs on. So what you would do is for outbound you could add let's see, not a preset, or is it protocol? So you can do TCP, and then you can do allow all and accept. So you can set up basically the server can talk to anything on the internet, and then you can block inbound up here. And then you'd add in UDP, TCP. And then for the inbound, like I said before, Minecraft uses a certain port. You would add that port in, and basically anyone playing on that server can come in. You know, if you have a web server, you'd have to open up a HTTP and HTTPS. Like I'll show you right here for HTTP. Where is it? There it is right there. And you click accept. You choose everything. Add rule. And there it is. So if you have a web server website and they're on HTTP, that's the only port that can come in, and it kind of locks it down. So that's pretty much all you need to know is the firewalls and the Linodes page. It's pretty easy to use. I like the dashboard. Definitely recommend these guys. If you like the video or got any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys.